Your puppy isn't ignoring you, you're just training wrong. Fix these 4 mistakes and you'll have a puppy that sits, stays, and comes running in under 2 weeks. Step 1. Teach sit with a treat lure. Hold a small treat above the puppy's nose and slowly move it back over the head. Their bottom drops automatically. Say sit the instant it happens, then reward. Step 2. Build recall with excitement, not pressure. Crouch down, use a happy, high-pitched voice, and say the puppy's name plus come. Reward big every single time they reach you. Never call them over for something unpleasant. Step 3. Mark the exact moment with a clicker or the word yes. Click the second the behavior happens, then treat within 2 seconds. This tells the puppy precisely what earned the reward. Step 4. Keep sessions to 5 minutes 3 times a day. Puppies lose focus fast, so quit while they're succeeding, not when they get bored or confused. Short, frequent reps beat one long lesson. Pro tip: never repeat a command over and over. Say it once, wait, then help them into position if needed. Repeating it teaches them to ignore you the first 3 times. What command is your puppy struggling with? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.